Day 1, Activity 2. The directions say, using the line feature, draw 2 rectangles. Rectangle A on this side should have a perimeter of 12 units. Rectangle B on this side should have a perimeter of 16 units. Each box below is 1 unit wide. Watch the video for help, which is what you're doing. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the line feature. This right here is the line. So use your mouse and click on it. And now your cursor looks like a little plus sign. You're going to move that cursor to wherever you want to start drawing your rectangle. Let's say I want to start right here at this intersection. Click it and hold your finger down on the mouse and drag it to where you want that side of your rectangle to end. Maybe I want it to end right here. Because we're trying to create a specific perimeter, you want to make sure that each side of your rectangle is a whole number of units long. So don't start your line in the middle of a box. Start it right at one of the corners and end it at another corner. I have now created one side of my rectangle. I'm going to go back up to my line feature, click it again, and it's going to activate a new line. I'm going to start it right at the corner where I left off. Click, hold, drag. And I went down here. Release. I've now created another side of my rectangle. Go back up, click the line feature, go back down, click, hold, drag, and release. And I chose to release here because it's below my other corner. So all I have to do is create one more line to complete my rectangle. All right, I created a rectangle, but what's the perimeter? Let's count. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units long. I actually know that if this side is 6, this side down here must also be 6. Let's check this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if this side is 5, this side is also 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 6 is 12, 10 plus 12 is 22. Well, this rectangle has a way too big of a perimeter. I needed it to be 12. So it's your job to figure out how to draw a rectangle that has a perimeter of not 22 units, but 12 units. One other thing I want to help you with before I go. As you notice by looking at my rectangle, it's kind of hard to see it. The lines are really thin. One thing you can do is click on your line and go up here to where it has these 3 lines and says line weight. Click on it and notice it's 1. That means it's very thin. I'm going to go down to one of the thicker ones, like 4. Look how it made my line much thicker and easier to see. I can do that to each of my other lines. So click on the line, click on these lines, change the thickness. Click the line, click here, change the thickness. By doing that, you could actually change the color too if you want. Here's the color. Maybe I want to make it orange. It's up to you. But remember, this is your line feature. And then once you have lines, if you click on them, you can change their thickness or their color. Good luck making a rectangle that has a perimeter of 12 and a perimeter of 16.